Yo, what's up, Wolsters, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Alright guys, so this is a real video today, finally, because the last couple videos have not really been true videos, if that makes sense. For today's video, we are going to be doing a room tour, obviously. If you guys have not already watched my old room tour, I totally recommend doing that because it has changed so much. Not as much as it changed before that. This wall was not there. And I had a different bed, and nothing has stayed the same. The only thing that has stayed the same were the doors and the windows. Not even kidding. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever, and help me hit 6,000 subscribers by the end of Vlogmas. Guys, also one more thing. As some of you may know, yesterday was my birthday, even though today is. I'm filming it today, but I'm uploading it and it will be yesterday. And yes, I am now 14 years old. No, my username will not be changed to willbe14. 13 is my favorite number. I've always been willbe13 since I came up with the name, and I was 12 years old when I came up with the name. But a lot of people ask me that. No, and that wouldn't even make sense because I will be 15. Until I either change it to a last name or something, or just a different name, it's going to remain to be willbe13. I'm trying to think of some other usernames with words rather than numbers because numbers are kind of hard. But yeah, comment some last name ideas down below. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. Let's get into the video. Here's the vibe of my room without Christmas decorations, and here's the vibe of my room with Christmas decorations. So I really like it. If you guys can hear that, it's because of the garage. I shoved all my lights against here. Usually the ring light and the black light are here, and there's two white lights and a tripod, but I'm gonna kind of give it to you guys without that. So let's start by turning the lights on, right? So right here is my desk area, and I don't really use this as much, but we have these two pictures. We have one with Gen X Pen, one with My Life as Ava and Sierra Furtado, and we don't talk about that one. That's a story time. We have a picture of me and my best friend and my brother. You know, we just have some random stuff. I literally never use this area. We have Vlogmas video ideas. Over here, we just have like a beanbag, right? It's actually a love sack and a Stranger Things poster that my brother put magnets on to make it a happy Gorgon, even though it's a Demogorgon. This is actually a magnetic wall, so like I can hang stuff up, but don't really use that either. Now the studio. Here's what the studio looks like with the lights off, but with it on. So I'm just gonna turn that one on because I like the vibe a little more. We have the Grinch down here, who's my tree. Boom. But yeah, me and Charlotte have the same tree. If you guys don't know who Charlotte is, then what are you doing? Follow my Instagram. There's a lotus back there. There's some lights up there. There's a subscribe button. There's just a lot of cool stuff. There's this. There's my YouTube notebook. There's some of this. There's a water bottle for my trip and a willbe13 water bottle. Link in description. I'm also wearing the merch. Link in description. There's some lights, and then here's my bed area. So basically, I usually don't have the lights on, I usually turn them off, but over here we have my clock, we have a sound machine, we have a candle, and this thingy that you shake up and it turns multiple colors and there's glitter. It just doesn't do well on camera. And then we have a thing back here where it's like wood on a soft surface so that I can always have a soft place. And I usually sit here and edit my video, but this is what it looks like. And I just really like the vibe of right here because it's so much cozier. Everything, and I look over at my Christmas tree. So yeah, here's kind of what my room looks like in full. Can't really see over there. But yeah, there's my room. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I'm officially out of video ideas. I've used all of mine. So please comment. Please comment more Vlogmas video ideas in the description. Look at this background. I feel so professional. Hi. Guys, Colleen gave birth. So proud of her. So yeah, if you didn't know, you're welcome. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.